Nowadays, neuroscience study the mind as it was a function, as it was an instrument. But in Vedantic philosophy, mind is more than that. It's a conglomerate of different functions. It's like a multifunctional hub of different things. And the first one is manas. Manas has to do with the the range of input output that we receive from the senses, either from outside or from inside, what we call nowadays proprioception or interoception. It has to do with that as well. And the second one is chitta. Chitta has to do with the inconscious and subconscious level. That is the level that goes a little bit deeper, and it's hard to access to that level. Is that where we have our memories or our fears or our longings and deeply rooted experiences from our childhood, for example, that then resurface of behavioral traits, for example, and so on. And then the third one is ahankar. Ahankar is a conglomerate of different things, which is mostly the I, the doer, connected with the I. It is the function that identify you or us with your activities, with your role, with your way of thinking, with your way, the way you are, with what you do, and so on. And that is what help us to identify a little bit with what we are doing to make it concrete for our brain to function. And and the mind needs two type of energies to function. And one of those energies is through the food, and the type of food that we take. There are food that makes us sluggish and slow, and there are other type of food that makes us very extremely active, restless, and stressed, and very anxious. And there is another type of food that makes our mind stable, very balanced. And the second source of energy is the soul, what is called the Atman. It is a reservoir of energy, of unlimited energy that we all have inside, each one of us. As long as we're humans with the nervous system already developed, with limbic system and cerebral cortex and prefrontal and all those things, we have that possibility to connect to that. And then mind is, we can consider the mind as a lake. When the lake is turbulent, there is a lot of concentric figures there. It means that it's not stable. It means that it's not balanced. And for us to keep the mind stable, then we have to a little bit stabilize it, to make it steady so we can then see through the water. When the water is not turbulent anymore, then we can see there. And for us, we need to start meditating to